Hi, and thank you so much for taking the time to review our recruiting website and learn a little bit more about Stone Street and our product, Step Warm Floor. Stone Street has been around since about 2000, and over that time, we've been responsible for over $800 million in real estate development and construction projects. Recently, in 2011, we launched our Energy Efficient Solutions division, and we became the exclusive distributor for Step Warm Floor in South America. In 2014, we became the master distributor in the Northeast United States, where we cover 11 states from Delaware and the District of Columbia up to Maine. Currently, we've got 4 offices, 3 in South America in Chile, Brazil, and Uruguay, and 1 in Rhode Island. Step Warm Floor has been in production for over 30 years, and in 1994, they established a United States manufacturing facility in St. Louis, Missouri. Over the 30 years, we've produced almost 12 million square feet of Step Warm Floor and distributed those products in 13 different countries on 5 different continents. Stone Street Energy Efficient Solutions Division has a mission statement to provide value to our partners through the delivery of sustainable and efficient energy solutions. Currently, we've got opportunities to help grow our organization in the selling capacity in Manhattan, Boston, Burlington, Vermont, Cape Cod, Massachusetts, and Washington, D.C. Additionally, we've got sales support opportunities in our Rhode Island office, as well as design support roles also in our Rhode Island office. It's our goal at Step Warm Floor to change and to challenge the way that people think about heating systems. What you're seeing on the graph right here are 2 very typical heating system scenarios. On the left is an industrial building where heat is manufactured in the basement and then transferred up to the 2nd and 3rd floor through a series of ductwork or pipes if it's a hydronic system. And in the delivery of that, there are huge inefficiencies that are simply inherent in their design. You certainly don't have to look very far when looking at traditional systems to see the inefficiencies and the parts and moving components of a traditional heating system. We are changing the way that people think about heat by introducing the Step Warm Floor PTC heater. A PTC heater is an extremely thin and flexible heating element. It's in fact only 1.2 millimeters thick and completely flexible. The element is made from a semiconductive plastic where carbon is infused in a plastic polymer mix, and the whole element becomes energized. And it's energized by 2 bus braids that are flat and embedded along each side, and those bus braids bring the low voltage current to the heating element. In fact, what you're seeing here, this whole element actually gets hot. A Step Warm Floor system consists of 3 main components: a thermostat, a step-down transformer where we step down line voltage at 120 volts down to 24 volts, and we connect that to the heating element. We design all of our systems custom for every application. Our Step Warm Floor is actually the safest electric heating element available on the market today. The installation process allows for nails or staples to penetrate the element to adhere it to the subfloor. In fact, what you're seeing here in the graphic on the right, because it is extra low voltage, you can actually immerse it safely in water without risk to humans. Our PTC heater actually runs on 24 volts AC or 24 volts DC. And what that means is that you can connect our heating element directly to a solar power source or a wind generator and heat your home completely off the grid. Over the last 30 years, the Step Warm Floor product has been fully tested, approved, and certified by a greener product. It conforms with and complies with LEED and LEED for Home standards. It is also in the production. It is 90% of recycled materials are used in the manufacturing. All materials that are used in manufacturing are recycled, and 80% of the manufacturing waste is reused in production. It's fully vetted with UL listings, ETL listings, in Metro, and CE listings. At the core of our product is energy efficiency. For example, we took a look at a 2,000 square foot home in New England and compared it, step warm floor, against other types of residential heating. What we found in this example was that on the high side, it cost as much as $3,200 to heat this 2,000 square foot home, but by using step warm floor, it was only $900 for the 5 winter months. Ultimately, depends on who we're comparing to, but we are somewhere between 2 and 4 times more effective and efficient than any other alternative on the market today. Our primary product lines are residential heating and floor warming, commercial heating, snow melting, roof de-icing, and pipe heat tracing for industrial applications. When considering step warm floor, each of the project stakeholders have various benefits that they enjoy. At the core, each of the stakeholders will appreciate the global and environmental benefits. Each of the other stakeholders, be it the architect, the contractor, the occupant or resident, and the project owner, all have various benefits that they enjoy. So thank you very much for taking the last few minutes to learn a little bit more about Stone Street and Step Warm Floor. Would like to talk to you more about the exciting new opportunities that lie in front of us, and would invite you to submit your resume to apply at excitingnewjobs.com. We look forward to answering your questions and talking to you further about the recruitment opportunities at Stone Street. Thank you very much.